My name is Andrea Colson. My brother, sister, and I grew up on the mission field, and now we're each individually supported missionaries with Central Missionary Clearinghouse, seeking to raise committed monthly support from friends like you who would like to sponsor us as missionaries. I love traveling on the ship across the ocean to visit the many outer islands of Chuuk, Micronesia. Small coral atolls just a few feet above sea level, less than a mile long, but full of people who have never heard how to receive Jesus as their Savior. Each week I teach the children in the village church that my brother Matthew pastors. We regularly have 150 kids, eager to hear this week's Bible story and learn new songs. I sing on the radio and have several daily radio programs, all in Chuukese. Each week we see people saved while visiting at Chuuk State Hospital. Thank you for praying for our family, and thank you for giving so that we can go.